Hey, solopreneur, let's be honest. This life is hard. You're wearing all the hats in your business, most of which you're not qualified for, and many you don't even have time for. What's worse, for all your hard work, you're still not thriving in your business or personal life. And it's time for a change. And proper branding is the key to that change. That's why I created the Ultimate Brand Mastery 9-week intensive program. The Ultimate Brand Mastery is an intensive program that will provide you with one-on-one brand analysis, weekly workshops, and strategy calls, branding tools, knowledge, and hands-on brand development for 9 weeks. Over these 9 weeks, we'll develop your entire brand from the ground up. And the successful implementation of these tools that you've received during this program will give you results like these. The waitlist is now open, and the very first session starts in August. So go ahead and sign up now.